Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2017 GMC Canyon. With one of the most powerful standard 4-cylinder engines in the class, the Canyon lets you enjoy 18 city, 25 highway EPA estimated MPG, and is engineered to absorb the bumps, handle the curves, supply superb traction, and provide seating for 5. And it's priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 5,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: 4-wheel drive, running boards, XM satellite radio, anti-lock braking system, traction control, power passenger seat, heated seats, navigation system, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.
A GM certified used vehicle can deliver more satisfaction and certainty than any ordinary used vehicle. With our thorough inspection, GM warranty, free vehicle history report, and more. You can expect it all from a GM certified used vehicle. GM certified means no worries. This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.